Oh my gosh, build up. Oh, I'm in.
Oh no, I don't know how.
I'm in. This is awesome. No, get out.
Doggone, your slide was fucking falling apart.
Are you guys talking about the missile?
It's not a missile, it's a rocket ship, actually.
Hey, can you not Dragon Slayer? Don't spam NPCs, that's the rule.
Come in here, what are you doing? Okay. Spawn, yeah.
Need to put it. Oh no.
Dang it.
Doggone, TARDIS is restricted. How the fuck do you spawn this in?
Stop breaking the rules.
Hi.
Oh, you wanna come in the shower with me?
Oh no.
Okay, good, then don't come in. Did you not know what this was?
I knew.
And it blew up.
Go back to the flat place, okay? Go back to the back.
No, wait, follow me, I know where you are. Follow me. Wait, where do you even...
I'm at the flat place. The white flat place.
Already?
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
No, you're not.
Just sniping us. Sniping us.
Hey, draw.
Unknown is- Please do not snipe me. That's very rude.
Dragon Slayer, I'm pretty sure you're a minge on the auto box, aren't you?
That was nice, wasn't it? Follow me, come here.
Yeah, actually.
Hey, you know what, Dark? I think we're gonna
I'm going there.
get you out of here.
Oh.
No, don't do that. No, don't. You guys, Darkon's a kid.
Okay,
No.
put the thing right here. Okay. Actually, delete it. Hold on.
Over here? Oh god, I just...
What is that?
You spawning in this.
Okay,
Dargon, I told you don't be doing that.
Dargon, we need to, okay, look, listen to me. Stop spawning in dupes altogether, okay? Stop spawning shit in with the duplicator. It's like, you know what? I'm gonna do this.
Here, look at him. Okay, that works.
Make a piece of crap roll and then give it to Dargon and make it restricted to everything.
Get in, no, my car, get in my car.
Yes, please, because you're being a minge and now you're gonna, oh god. I think I might restrict your nades as well, they're annoying as crap.
I'm like literally about a quarter of a way from restricting duplicator to users, actually.
What?
Because you guys keep fucking being
It's
retarded
not,
with it.
I'm not doing anything.
Well, you're not, but other people are.
Wait, can I see
that's the annoying
Dargon's
part.
corpse? No, you're being taught.
I'm in. Start it. Wait, you started it, didn't you? Oh, where we go?
I don't
Sit
know,
down.
but like...
Wait, we're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere.
Run.
Oh! It went! It's flying! And it blew up. Okay, go back to spawn, wherever you are.
Hey, how'd you get nerve gas?
What's that thing flying around that's shooting at everybody?
Hey, Dargon, we told you not to fucking spawn in dupes and do more. You do what exactly we told you not to do.
Didn't you guys tell him not to earlier?
We did, and he fucking continued to do it.
Wait, who?
Dargon.
I suggest.
Oh.
Someone's
We
spamming
told
something
you not
right
to
now.
do. We told you not to do that. We told you that that was why we were gonna restrict the duplicator tool, and you still go ahead and do that. Why are you?
Most likely because he's a child. Noob Hammer's doing the same thing as the M60. Noob Hammer, why are you spawning in so many of a restricted weapon? Doesn't help the matter.
Oh no! Ah. Oh my god. Hello. I want to know what's up here, so don't. Are you kidding me? Did he not? I want to see what's up there. Come on. Can you at least not break it? Can you at least let me?
Why'd you gag him?
Break it.
I would have spoken the first
Bruh,
place.
that's not how it works. You're supposed to do me.
Come on, I just died for my own prop.
Bruh. No, okay, you're gonna stay in there.
No,
Alright,
because
as
you're
your
a stupid
punishment.
minge, and we told you not to do something. Did it, you retard? We told you. We told.
Hey, I don't know how this works. Hey,
Oh my god.
Oh my God, Lego Matt! Delete that right now. Stop spawning your crappy public dupes, dude.
I'm sorry that makes the entire circle
Stop
lag.
spawning crappy public dupes. Make your own thing.
Billy's back. Right.
Well, I tried to make it, but then people
Look
just
at
tried
that.
to kill me, so then I can't really make anything, so I had to spawn it in.
Don't vote yes.
Why?
Yeah, you pee-pee head.
With an isolation chamber around the perimeter.
Ow!
Hey guys,
What?
I don't know what the admin chair is, but it's pretty powerful.
How?
The
How?
what is?
Come and see. Yes, do you want it?
Wow.
I found it and it has like 50 guns on it and shoots like, come on, look at this.
The car?
It's not cars, look at this, I'll bring it to you, where are you?
I'm right here.
I'm riding it.
Oh yeah, that's like a Minge mobile.
We can't really do too much about it.
Well,
But that's
I'll
how you
just
feel
Since it's a
delete
about
it.
it.
dupe, I mean, if we see someone using it and they're constantly killing and crap, maybe we could tell them to not do it, but I don't know.
I'm
Okay,
not
this
using it
might
though.
lag, but oh, it's not actually. It's not laggy at all.
Oh.
Let's go in here.
Wait, what happened to,
No.
left.
okay.
Get in.
No, it's starting to crumble.
No, just go.
And all.
I always want to try to get in. Well, get
Okay.
on it before it starts.
I'm not a damn Jew. Let me out of here.
Okay, jeez. Hey, get away
We
from me.
get to
All the
high ground.
NPCs.
Go watch zombies.
Who's spawning
I saw
NPCs?
this, Carter.
Okay, so let's chill out with the fucking ACF shit with the goddamn missiles and stuff, alright? It creates quite the mess.
Hey, I just wanted to drive my car, man.
Kidding me?
When you use a KSG,
Who wants to sit on a bottle? There's one right here.
Don't blow it up.
It's right?
Only blow up the bottom, not the top.
give
I
goo,
don't
please.
know how to. It can't blow up. That's it.
Timbers! Oh god.
Look at-
No! Stop, helicopter, get out of here.
Oh, they finally
That's a really
restricted
cool
that.
helicopter.
You know what else was really cool? My base, and people are just blowing it up like it's nothing wrong. Oh my god. Only destroy the bottom.
Can you stop spawning those cracky poke, please? You keep spawning them and unspawning them. He's kinda cringe. Oh wow, what's this?
Hey,
Of course it is. It's cool though.
this-
Oh god.
like it.
See, I just died. I have to spawn in the dude.
Andrew, what are you trying to do?
I'm for in the back.
I was trying to build a base.
I still want to see actually how much damage the pan does. Never mind.
Okay.
Just how much damage the pan does, please. Oh, 78, nice.